Hello and welcome to today's financial news update. In this video, we will be discussing the latest market trends and how they are affecting some of the biggest companies in the world. So, without further ado, let's get started. Shares of the online marketplace, Etsy, fell more than 6% in pre-market trading after Jefferies double downgraded the company to underperform from buy. The firm cited the need for Etsy to spend more on marketing as buyer churn increases. Silvergate Capital, the crypto lender, saw a massive 50% drop in its shares after announcing that it will wind down operations and liquidate Silvergate Bank. The news came after the bank warned that it may not be able to continue operating, following a series of financial challenges and government investigations in the aftermath of the collapse of FTX, which was a customer of the bank. Moving on to Uber, the ride-hailing company's shares rose about 2% in pre-market trading following a Bloomberg report that Uber is considering spinning off its freight logistics division. The freight unit had $1.5 billion of revenue in fourth quarter. Shares of the database platform provider, MongoDB, slid over 10% in pre-market trading after the company offered weak revenue guidance, disappointing investors. However, the company did post earnings and revenue that beat expectations for the fourth quarter. SB Financial, the financial services company, saw its stock drop 30% after the firm announced that it intends to offer $1.25 billion of its common stock and $500 million of depository shares. The U.S. traded shares of the Swiss bank, Credit Suisse, fell more than 4% in pre-market trading after the company announced it would delay its annual report after receiving comments from the Securities and Exchange Commission. The regulator's comments were about cash flow statements in 2019 and 2020, the bank said. Lastly, loanDepot, the mortgage lender, saw its shares shed over 10% after its fourth quarter earnings report missed analysts' expectations. The company reported a loss of 46 cents per share and revenue of $169.7 million, compared to analysts' estimate of an earnings loss of 27 cents per share and revenue of $190.9 million. And finally, shares of the hotel chain, Hilton, inched up 0.5% in pre-market trading after Barclays upgraded the stock to overweight from equal weight, saying the company can weather macro challenges better than its peers. That brings us to the end of our financial news update for today. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates like this. Until next time, goodbye.